How we doing, YouTube? It is R6 Monkey back here again. It is currently about 6 AM in a brisk Monday morning. On my way to work. No forecast for rain, so I thought, fuck it. Take a bike. Why not? Because the last week or so here, more so during my days off, has been horrendous the weather-wise. Just been so wet. Brutal. Absolutely brutal. So, why the hell are you talking to us at 6 o'clock in the morning, you may ask? Well, I am here to tell you all about new R6 Monkey merchandise. So I have set up my very own online store. It's nothing fancy just now, it is currently a work in progress, but it is up and it is operational. I did try out the whole Teespring thing. I found that the prices they were charging folk was unacceptable, especially for shipping. Don't know if that's just because I'm in the UK. So yes, the whole Teespring thing, it wasn't for me. I just found that for the buyer, the prices they were charging, including shipping, didn't really justify. First off, it didn't justify my standings as a YouTuber, you know. I thought, who in their right minds is going to pay that sort of price for a t-shirt? Even though one fucking awesome human being did. So shout out to you, Paul. Very much appreciated. So yes, I've then opted to go down the road of sourcing a supplier. The good thing behind that is the fact that I got to speak to him, tell him what I wanted. And we just took it for there. So the good thing about this new one is I feel as though I've got more control over things. I'm happy with the quality of the garments. I have went down the route of embroidered logos rather than printed. And I have a wide choice of products available to me. So far on the store you'll find, well, the usual, you'll find the keychains, mugs, there is caps, just your normal caps with the adjustable fasteners. You've got the traditional flat peak snapback with the, obviously, the dual coloured peak, again all with embroidered logo. Hoodies, polo shirts, there's obviously t-shirts available that's still to put up on the website. You can do beanies, so it seems to be panning out okay just now. On face masks, in today's current climate, everybody needs a face mask. And not just your average run-of-the-mill face mask, but it can also do neck tubes, snoods. So yes, I will put a link in the description to my online store. Obviously, greatly appreciated if you check it out. Even more appreciated if you decide to buy anything. Oh, obviously everything that's... The good thing as well is that, you know, I get to set my profit margin, and I've not been you know, I'm not aiming to make any sort of money off this. I think, you know, it's like a couple of quid I generate from each sale. Once I work out average shipping costs abroad, then that option will be up there for all those international R6 Monkey fans. So yes, by all means check it out. Right, so I'm going to head to work now. This will be a rack and a half for you, so I will leave it here. Just remember guys, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. But most importantly, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.